Thanks for joining us for the Crypto Buzz by Kalkine TV. I'm Sage. As the crypto markets persist in their bearish phase, which many predict could continue for another 12 to 18 months, others are also of the impression that Bitcoin could reach $100,000 during some time in 2022 or 2023. Will we have to wait till the next Bitcoin halving event before we see the price rise significantly for Bitcoin again? I hope not, as that won't be till May 2024, when the 840,000th block of Bitcoin is mined. The last Bitcoin halving was in May of 2020. The price of Bitcoin is hovering around 29,425. This is down about 5.77% during the Asian mid-session. That was the time of writing this report. Now, usually at the time of a Bitcoin halving, the price gradually rises, and that's why we're looking ahead to the potential of this happening again at the next Bitcoin halving in 2024, but hopefully we won't have to wait that long. Bitcoin's currently close to 60% below its all-time high. It's set back in November of 2021, where it reached around $68,000. And many analysts believe that the support level has not been found yet. And although Bitcoin is trading above its 200-week moving average, which is at about $22,027 according to BAYC ratings, there's still a lot of fear in the markets at the moment. However, the long-term holders of Bitcoin are staying strong through the capitulation. There have been only 3 other times in Bitcoin's history where the fear has risen to their current levels. These are the crash from $6,000 down to $3,000 in the 2018-2019 era, the COVID-19 crash in early 2020, the May 2021 crash due to the Chinese government regulations. Now, these phases can last several months. For Bitcoin to make any determined moves upwards, it would have to close above $33,000 for consecutive days. So with many analysts expecting Bitcoin to remain range-bound for at least another month or two, we're now looking towards Ethereum's upgrade that will hopefully enable the change of mining consensus from proof of work to the less energy-intensive proof of stake, which could be happening this month with the valueless version of Ethereum being merged onto the test net. According to Ethereum, the merge onto Beacon Chain, proof of stake mining will decrease the energy usage of the blockchain by 99.5%, which is great news for the environment. The state of New York in the USA has attempted to pass a bill that will ban proof of work mining once approved. However, due to a backlash from the crypto community, the ban will not be going through. The crypto ban was being considered due to the energy intensiveness of its mining practices. And the crypto mining imposes on the New York Climate Leadership and Community Protection Act, which is an important law that mandates over emissions reductions in the state of New York. Bruce Fenton, a Senate candidate, was in opposition to the ban. He tweeted that code is a type of speech and banning it would be infringing on the community's freedom of speech. The ban won't be going ahead. The price of Ethereum is currently at about $1,750 or thereabouts, being down about 6% during the Asian mid-session. This is data according to CoinGecko. Over the last 30 days, Ethereum is 33.7% down. It's important during this bearish phase that crypto investors increase their knowledge and educate themselves further. So be sure to keep aware of scams and imposters, and please do your own research into the digital assets before you begin investing. Thanks for joining us on this edition of the Crypto Buzz, and I hope your day in trading is going well. Till the next episode, may the hodling continue. Sage signing off.